So, hi everyone. Hope you have enjoyed the previous sessions about the syntax, indentation, and the semantics in the Python. So, in this video, we will understand what is the interpreter and how it run the code and what is the script. So from the definition, we can see that Python run your code using an interpreter. Interpreter is your code line by line and execute it. Now, a script is just a file where your goal is where is code is read. So basically, the interpreters run that script. So now the second question we can ask them question like what is the interpreter? So interpreter is a program that reads your code, execute it line by line, and produce the output. And script is nothing. It is a file that contain your Python code. So from this line we can see that Python first pick up reads your .py file, generate generate a bytecode using Python interpreter, and in the background it uses the Python virtual machine. That Python virtual machine use this bytecode and produce the output. So that is the steps of running the Python program. So, for example, I have given, you can see here, we have one of the simple statement where we are just printing it, hello world. So, here print is an inbuilt function. We can see this definition like it takes that multiple value, not like a single parameter. Because here we are using this as a multiple argument parameter, that is a tuples. Apart from this print function also take other parameter like separation and line, file output, and flush it. So separation means here by default is a space, and the line is by default we are passing a new line, and here it is default value is nothing, none. So now you found out the difference. So Python executed. So how we can? There are two way we can run our Python. One is the Python program. One is the interactive mode, and second way is the script file. So from the script file we have seen here like I have written this print hello function inside this temp.py, and Python has picked up this detail and run our code and produce this output hello world. Let's see how we can print the same thing in the using interactive mode. So suppose I have here, I'm just running again and interactive mode. Yeah, so we are under this Python console. So it is a interactive mode. So same thing, if I type and just print, I want to type hello world, hello world in the interactive mode. So you can see we have given as a input hello world and output we are getting hello world. The same thing, just like in Python. Suppose I'm in the Python Python script file. I want to print the sum of number from 1 to 10. So for that I have written one the function called add. Inside this add function I am passing some of the number as a parameter, num as a parameter value, and we have defined the total is equal to num for I in range of num. Range we have given 1 to 10, and total is equal to total plus I, and return it, return total, and print that add function by calling, and we have to pass the number 10 because our goal is to add the number from 1 to 10. So if we run this function, this code, so we will see the output. Okay, so we can see later the sum of from one number from 1 to 10 is 45. The same thing also we can perform the same add operation in interactive mode. So But there is difference if you are going to write a very large complex program and that code are you have to reuse in other file, or this function if you want to reuse in other function, then you have to prefer this script file, not this interactive mode. But if you want to perform some simple task and one line or two line statement, you have to just prefer this interactive mode concept. So same thing I want to write it here. I can simply write, I'm defining one variable total is equal to 0, and for I in the range of 1 to 10, total is equal to I, and here print total. So if we run it, we can see the output clearly. The 45 bit is coming. So we are able to perform the same operation in the script file and in interactive mode. There are other ways if you want to write. Suppose like if you want to reverse the number, or any string you want to reverse the string value, then we can simply just use this interactive mode, because there are already inbuilt function in the Python. We can use slicing concept. Suppose I am giving on the string name, like name is equal to, I am giving netcode, and you if have we have to reverse it, so just use name double, and you can see it has reverse the net code in the reverse order. It is printing net code here. It is in edo code 10. So it has reversed this string value. Another way we can also perform the same thing using the or we can while creating some method or loop also. So hope you have found the difference between the interpreter and script file, and if you have also find the difference where you can use when you should use interpreter, and we can when you can prefer the script file. So hope you have enjoyed this video, and the next session we will understand about that Python data type, where you can use it, and what is the type of Python data type, what is the type of Python data type available we have in the the tuple, list, dictionary, set. So we will understand each data type one by one in the detail with some example. Thank you.